Hi, welcome to Rome Reverie. Here we are about to experience the ultimate Australian road trip from Melbourne to Uluru. 2,300 kilometres, roundabout to a little bit more, driving through Adelaide. We're going to experience some beautiful, vast Australian outback, some beautiful shots of the silos. So come with me and let's take a look. Hello there, we are in Adelaide. Australians will know Adelaide as a lovely small city, well known for its wine. The wineries here are absolutely amongst the best in the world. So if you're going to come here, maybe 3 or 4 days in the McLaren Vale and the Barossa Valley. I'm in Rundle Mall at the moment, so the Rundle Mall is just it's close to traffic and there's plenty of shops down here, you know, your Maya, H&M, you know, all the big labels are here. Very, very nice, very quaint, beautiful, and it's very close to everything as well. Beautiful, so yeah, very highly recommended. So come to Adelaide on your way to Uluru. So I'm now in Hindley Street. So Hindley Street is a lot of restaurants, clubs, a lot of really popular bars are here. So if you want to come out for a good time, very young though, yeah, come to Hindley Street. North Terrace, which I'm currently walking on at the moment, is fantastic. The convention centre, the entertainment centre, and a lot of the entertainment precinct is along here. You can cross the bridge here to get to Adelaide Oval as well, which is of course great for AFL football, cricket and concerts. The casino is on North Terrace, which we'll probably walk past and have a quick look at it in a few moments. Here I am in Glenelg, beautiful suburb right along the beach. As I turn around and you can see behind me the big Ferris wheel there, lovely pier, great for swimming in summer. Real cool hangout, plenty of things for the kids to do here also. There's water slides, a life-saving club, and for adults plenty of great restaurants, good food, and just a real good vibe here in summer. Fantastic place to come and see and visit. And if you're here down in Glenelg, Luciano's seafood, beautiful. We had some beautiful pasta here and some lovely arancini, so nice Italian pizza and pasta. Okay, it's day 2 now. We're leaving Adelaide. So we were staying in North Adelaide. North Adelaide is also fabulous, full of restaurants, cafes, and a really good vibe actually. First time I've been to North Adelaide. So now we have an 845 kilometre drive to Coober, Pedy. So this has got to be all through desert. I'm really looking forward to this now. So yeah, look, let's check it out. Look at these little, don't know what they're called, but they're growing off the vines here. And they're all on the road, just past Port Pirie. Between Port Pirie and Port Augusta. Yeah, they're quite trippy. Go. Yep, okay, and here we are. We're actually in the South Australian outback. This is a real surreal feeling, you know, like Driving through here, there is just nothing on site, as you'll see from some of the footage, but it's a beautiful drive. We're on our way to Coober, Pedy, and even though there's nothing here, it's still beautiful. It's absolutely breathtaking, and it's a fabulous drive. It really is. There's more cars on the road than what I actually thought, but yeah, absolutely fabulous experience. I really highly recommend you do this. It's amazing. Welcome to Coober, Pedy. This is the last stop before we hit the Northern Territory border on the Sturt Highway. Coober, Pedy is really famous for its opal mining. There are restaurants and there's a big four here. Little activities for the kids to do, so come and check out Coober, Pedy. And it's good morning. Here we are leaving Coober, Pedy now. We have a 650 kilometre drive to Uluru, so let's go. Hi, here we are. We have made it to Uluru. These are the resorts. There's a number of resorts here, you know, from 5-star down cheaper, but nothing is cheap here. I'll tell you that now. From petrol to groceries, everything's very expensive, but it's beautiful. We're only probably about 15 kilometres from or 10 kilometres from the entrance to the national park where you'll pay to get in to Uluru, and of course, you know, the Olgas. It's fabulous. It's a bit sort of overcast, but look, if it rains, don't ever panic, because not many people see the rock wet. The waterfalls, it would be absolutely fantastic. I'm hoping it actually buckets down here. So anyway, so I'm not going to take you in and show you all that. That's just accommodation. You can check that out for yourself. But yes, this is welcome to Uluru. About 5 kilometres after you enter the national park, you turn right onto the road that says Kata Juta, or the Olgas. As you drive in, it's probably about 44k till you get to this part. This is the first viewing point you will see on your right hand side as you're driving. And as you can see, you get out and you're fronted with this view that looks like you're on Mars. Absolutely stunning. Anyway, you stay here and then you head off and keep going till you get to the Olgas. Welcome to Kata Juta, or the Olgas. Absolutely stunning, huge rock formations. Have to actually be here to really get a grasp of how big they are. I'm about to there's a little walk. This is just the main entrance where you can walk straight into the rocks. It's through here. Or there is Valley of the Winds, which is a much longer hike. Hi, and here we are at Uluru, or some people know what it is, rock. Right behind me, this is where the climb used to be. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the pathway, the white pathway going up the rock there. That's where the climb was. You entered it from here. And there used to be the chains to climb it, where they started just above those rocks there, and that was called Chicken Point. So many people got to that point and then they chickened out, because it's actually, it'd be daunting for a lot of people. There's a beautiful base walk around the rock, which I encourage everyone to do. The base walk is magnificent. To see this rock in person it's mesmerizing, the size of it. It's only a third of it above the ground, and the rest, 2/3 of it is below the ground. The base walk's about 9 kilometers around it, which is freaky when you come to think, wow, 9 kilometers around the bottom of the wall, around the bottom of the rock. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. It's my 4th time here, and I still am mesmerized by this rock. It's another great morning here. We are heading out to Kings Canyon this morning, a little over 3-hour drive from Airdrock Resorts. Kings Canyon is beautiful. A lot of people actually overlook it when they come here. It's a very, very, very small Grand Canyon. Actually, a lot of the layers inside Kings Canyon are exactly the same as what you will find in the Grand Canyon. I'm doing the rim walk today. This just walks around the top of the canyon. You can go right into it. There's waterfalls and everything in there. I am droning today, but I have a permit from Kata to do it, so make sure you do get a permit if you come here. So, as you can see, it's 3 to 4 hours loop, 6K. Not a really hard walk, so let's go check it out. Hi everyone, how are we going? Just sort of coming back from Uluru, I would check out one of my faves, the Barossa Valley. Here we are in Tanunda, a little town that is sort of the gateway right into the Barossa. All the beautiful wineries are here, the best wineries, and believe me, some of the best wineries aren't the big ones either. My favourite personally is Bethany. Love that winery, so make sure you check it out. It's a little house on top of a hill that also has white pork. Anyway, plenty of accommodation here, plenty of cafes, plenty of shops, plenty of restaurants. So come and enjoy Tanunda. Welcome to the Barossa Valley. With over 150 wineries and more than 80 cellar doors, I've selected a few of my favourite wineries and points of interest which you might like to look at. Enjoy! And how are we going, peeps? Yes, look, now I've actually left Uluru and the Red Centre. Look, just a passing thought here. I'll make it clear that I have been here 4 times now, okay? And it's been over a space of about 25 years. And as much as I understand them wanting to close the climbs, I feel that you sort of lose a bit of connection with Uluru. Even the base walk, they've pushed the base walk which used to go right round the base, and it used to hug the rock except for the back section. But now they've pushed the actual base walk probably about 300 metres away from the rock, and it actually feels like you're just looking at it from a distance. You don't really feel connected to it. My friend that I was with actually said that to me, because I've been here 4 times, so to me it didn't really make a difference. But yeah, there definitely was that feeling, although it is still a beautiful, beautiful thing. It's one of the wonders of the world, which is why I've come and seen it 4 times. Kings Canyon really resonates with me. I love Kings Canyon. It's just an absolute beaut. It really is another wonder of the world. It's absolutely fantastic. So look, they were just my thoughts on Uluru. As much as I did love it, yes, I felt a little bit of disconnection, and there didn't seem to be that atmosphere there with the climb closed. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts on this. But anyway, it's been a real wonderful, wonderful trip. So loved every second of this. The drive up through the Outback, absolutely phenomenal. You've seen all my videos, you've seen all my shots that I've taken. And I was very lucky at Kings Canyon yesterday that it actually stopped raining just as we were finishing. So I got to actually do some nice drone shots. So it was absolutely fabulous. So, hey, see you at the next one, guys.